Are you worried that your financial plan isn't perfect yet? Stay tuned. Thanks for joining us today. I've invited a certified financial planner, Jeff East, who's registered through Raymond James, to join us today to talk about financial plans. Jeff, thanks for being here.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you bet. So I'm a perfectionist. That's actually a fault, not a good thing. And I want everything to be perfect. And sometimes I have to let some of those details go. And that also applies, I guess, to financial planning as well.
Absolutely does. I mean, most financial plans are not perfect. But as long as we're making progress towards your goals, that's what we're trying to strive to do.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. So what are a few things folks should keep in mind about that?
Absolutely. First thing is start small.
Okay.
One day at a time, trying to get us to where we want to go. So starting small is the best way to go about that.
Okay.
And then in my practice, I use an acronym,
Okay.
SMART.
Yeah.
So S is specific. Let's be specific with your goal.
All right.
M is measurable. Make sure we can measure the results. Like if you want to save more money every month, we can track that. A, make sure it's attainable. Make sure that we can do this month in and month out. The R is realistic. Make sure you and your spouse or significant other are on the same page, and this is a realistic goal. And then T is the timing issue. Make sure that you put a time stamp on it so we know when this goal needs to be accomplished.
Right.
And if we're hitting those 5 things, then we're working towards the goal of the financial plan.
Wow, that sounds like a lot to think about, and that's why people hire people like you to help them through that process. So if someone had a question for you, wanted to get in touch with you, would you be willing to speak with them?
Absolutely. Yeah, be happy to answer any questions they may have and really be a resource for them.
Great. You are one of the few financial planners, I think, in the country that knows what Hot Coffee the movie is.
I do,
and
yes.
knows what the Seventh Amendment is and things
Absolutely.
like this. So,
yep. Right to a jury.
Yeah, so you're really well equipped, I think, to help plaintiff law firms and their owners through these areas. So we'll put contact information in the video below this in case somebody wanted to chat with you. Do you charge to talk to them?
We do not, no.
Okay.
We'll be more than happy to take that initial phone call and answer any questions they might have and move on to next step if there is any.
Fantastic. Thanks for being here.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.